Still in Westmoreland, the National Water Commission NWC has announced plans to address water woes in the parish. This announcement follows protests by residents about the unavailability of the commodity. More in this report from TVJ's Jeline Pearson.
Welcomed news for residents of Westmoreland. The NWC now has a plan in place to address their water woes. The announcement follows a recent tour of the Bulstrode water supply system in the parish by NWC officials and Member of Parliament for Westmoreland Western, Dr. Wickham McNeil. Residents of several communities have complained that they have been without water for weeks, while others have experienced intermittent supply. Dr. McNeil said the problem is due to water supply systems no longer being able to meet the demands of expanding communities. He said the NWC will be upgrading the facilities.
They have indicated that there are two things they're going to do. They're looking at an upgrade of the Roaring River plant and an upgrade at the Venture River. At the same time, there's going to be an interconnection between the four suppliers, because as it is now, there's not enough water in one supply at one time. There may be more in the other. So if you are able to connect them, and at present the four water supplies, they're not connected, so they're going to work to connect them so they have more flexibility.
According to Dr. McNeil, the plans are in progress and the NWC expects that within the next 2 years, a solution will be forthcoming to address the residents' concern. But as the work takes place to improve the water woes of residents, Dr. McNeil is urging the National Housing Trust to take into consideration the availability of water before building houses in the communities.
One of the things that we must be careful about, while we badly want houses to be built, while we badly want land solutions for our people, you have to be careful that you're building the houses and the day after they get the key, they're calling the Member of Parliament and the Council and asking for water, because we're being built without water. And so it's important for us to determine how we're going to get the expansion so that we can get more water.
Jeline Pearson, TVJ News.